Yo, what's up everybody? It's Anas. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's both fascinating and rapidly changing our world. Robotics. We're talking about the robots that are already here, the ones working behind the scenes in factories, hospitals, and even on our streets. From automating complex manufacturing processes to assisting in life-saving surgeries, robots are becoming increasingly integrated into various sectors. You guys ready? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about manufacturing. This is where robots really got their start, and they've completely changed the game. Imagine giant robotic arms moving with precision and speed that would make your head spin. They're assembling cars, electronics, you name it, all with incredible accuracy. We're talking about robots that can work 24/7, no coffee breaks needed. This means faster production times, which is crucial in today's fast-paced world. But it's not just about speed, it's also about precision. Robots can perform tasks with a level of detail and consistency that humans just can't match. These robots are programmed to do it perfectly every single time, which minimizes errors and reduces waste. It's a shift, no doubt about that, and we'll talk about how to adapt to that shift in a bit. Alright, moving on to healthcare, another field where robots are making a huge impact. One of the most groundbreaking applications is in surgery. Imagine this. Surgeons controlling robotic arms with incredible dexterity, able to perform minimally invasive procedures with unbelievable precision. That's the reality with surgical robots. They're enhancing a surgeon's capabilities, allowing for smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. Robots are also assisting with everyday tasks in hospitals, like lifting patients, delivering medications, and even monitoring vital signs. This frees up nurses and doctors to focus on what they do best, providing personalized care and making critical decisions. Human interaction and empathy are irreplaceable in healthcare. It's all about collaboration, not replacement. Let's talk about online shopping for a second. It's something most of us do regularly, right? That order you placed for a new phone or those shoes you've been eyeing. It's more than just a click of a button. Chances are, robots played a big part in getting that package to your doorstep. These machines are transforming the logistics industry. Think about massive warehouses stacked to the ceiling with products. It's a sight to behold. Instead of humans navigating those aisles, robots are doing the heavy lifting, literally. They are the unsung heroes of modern logistics. They're locating your order, picking it, packing it, and getting it ready for shipment, all with incredible speed and efficiency. It's a seamless process. This means faster delivery times for you, and let's be real, nobody wants to wait forever for their online order. Speed is the name of the game. Automated systems mean less human error, reduced labor costs, and ultimately, lower prices for consumers. It's a win-win situation. So the next time you get that notification that your package is out for delivery, remember the robots working behind the scenes to make it happen. It's a marvel of modern technology. They're quietly revolutionizing the way goods move around the world. The future of logistics is here, and it's automated. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, automation, and its impact on jobs. It's a topic that sparks a lot of debate, and honestly some anxiety. But here's the thing, it's not as simple as robots taking over all the jobs. Yes, automation will inevitably change the job market. Some tasks that are repetitive or physically demanding will likely be automated. But it's crucial to remember that this also creates opportunities. As robots take over those repetitive tasks, it frees up humans to focus on more creative, complex, and strategic work. Think about it, jobs that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and human interaction are not going away anytime soon. We need to invest in education and training programs that equip people with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. This means not just technical skills, but also soft skills like communication, teamwork, and adaptability. It's about embracing the change, not fearing it. By preparing ourselves and our workforce, we can ensure that automation becomes a tool for progress rather than a source of anxiety. The future of work is not just about technology, but about how we adapt to it. It's about creating a synergy between human skills and machine efficiency. So, let's look forward to a future where humans and robots work together, each doing what they do best. This collaboration can lead to unprecedented levels of innovation and productivity. By embracing this change, we can create a more dynamic, efficient, and creative workforce. The key is to stay adaptable and continuously learn new skills. The future is bright if we prepare for it. Let's invest in our people and our technology to build a better tomorrow. It's about embracing the change, not fearing it. Together, we can shape a future where technology enhances our lives and work. We've seen how robots are transforming industries, but what about the future? What's next for robotics? The advancements we've witnessed so far are just the beginning. Well, hold on tight because things are about to get even more interesting. The future holds incredible potential for robotics. We're talking about artificial intelligence or AI and its integration with robotics. This combination is set to revolutionize the field. Imagine robots that can learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and even make decisions on their own. This is not science fiction, it's becoming a reality. That's the power of AI. It enables robots to perform tasks that were once thought impossible. We're already seeing glimpses of this with robots that can navigate complex environments, recognize objects, and even interact with humans in more natural ways. These advancements are just the tip of the iceberg. Think about personal assistant robots that can help with everyday tasks around the house, making our lives easier and more efficient. Or advanced agricultural robots that can optimize crop yields and reduce the need for pesticides, contributing to more sustainable farming practices. The possibilities are pretty much endless. From healthcare to entertainment, robots are set to make a significant impact. And as AI continues to advance, so too will the capabilities of robots. The synergy between AI and robotics will unlock new frontiers. So buckle up because the ride is just getting started. The future of robotics is bright and full of promise. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, from robots on factory floors to robots in operating rooms, from warehouses to, well, maybe even your living room one day. It's clear that robotics is not just some futuristic fantasy, it's here, it's now, and it's changing the world as we speak. Are there challenges? Absolutely, we need to address the concerns about job displacement, ensure ethical development and use of AI, and figure out how to best integrate robots into our lives without losing that essential human touch. But the potential benefits are undeniable. Robots have the ability to increase efficiency, improve safety, and create new possibilities in countless industries. It's about shaping the future of robotics in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of robotics. Hopefully, you're leaving this video with a better understanding of how this technology is transforming industries and our lives. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the future of robotics? Are you excited about the possibilities or a little bit apprehensive? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.